Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite free movie applications that you may not have heard of in 2024. Now, all these applications provide hundreds of free movies and on-demand TV shows, and I'm going to show you these on my Amazon Firestick, but these can be installed on any Fire TV device or also Android TV and even Roku devices. Now, before diving into these applications on my Fire Stick, I first want to note that all the free movie apps I'm going to talk about in this video are available inside the Google Play Store. This includes the Roku Channel, Zumo Play, and also Filmrise. And because these applications are available inside Google Play with over 1 million downloads and hundreds of thousands of reviews, I am confident and also certain that these applications are 100% legal and verified to install on our devices. So I first wanted to make that note, guys, and now I'm going to hop back over to my Amazon Fire Stick and let's dive into these movie applications. All right, guys, so I'm hopping back over to my Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, and the first free movie application that I want to show you is the Roku Channel. Now, you may be thinking, well, Bodie, I know about the Roku Channel. Well, a lot of people are actually not aware that the Roku Channel was just added to the Amazon App Store for Fire TV devices only a few years ago. Now, this obviously started on Roku devices, but because of its popularity, they've expanded availability to the Amazon App Store, and also the Google Play Store for those using Android devices. So on the Roku Channel, on the left-hand menu, you'll see some of these options here for home, search. They offer live channels, categories, kids and family, and also Roku Originals. I find this one really interesting. And also settings and account. Now, you don't need an account to use the Roku Channel. That's one of the best features. But when it comes to free movies and TV shows, what you would do is hover over categories here, and you can simply scroll through all the different categories, whether it's comedy, action, westerns, horror, thrillers, food, home and garden, sports, drama, reality, sci-fi, etc., documentaries. And then up here, what I really like on the left is they have this category for Roku Originals. So if you hover over Roku Originals, these are some of the original movies and TV shows that were originally launched when the Roku Channel first came out. So again, a lot of great categories here. And again, the Roku Channel is an excellent application that provides hundreds of free movies and TV shows. And you can just browse around, you can search, there's some different settings you can adjust here. Just a great free option if you guys have not browsed around the Roku Channel yet. So I just wanted to point that out in this video. The second free movie app that I want to point out is Zumo Play. Now, I've made other videos on my channel already about Zumo Play, but this app, guys, continues to get better and better in my opinion. So I love the user interface right away. It shows its live TV guide and the electronic program guide interface. But in terms of free movies and TV shows, all you would do is hover over to the left, and there's an option for free movies, an option for TV shows, and also networks. So if I click free movies, you can browse around and just look at the category library that is offered by Zumo Play. So if I want to know what are some of the most popular movies here, I can scroll through most popular. Some notable titles here as I'm scrolling through. It has recommended for you, Zumo Originals, Zumo Exclusives, Editor's Picks, recently added, action, thriller and horror, crime, comedy, sci-fi, westerns, romance, and so much more. Now, if I hover over TV shows, you can see all the options for TV shows. Some similar categories as I'm scrolling down here. But guys, feel free to just browse around the content libraries. It doesn't hurt just to see all of these free options that you have at your fingertips. Now, there's dozens and dozens of these free streaming apps, and it doesn't hurt to just look through them and see what types of content that Zumo Play, for example, offers that others do not. So the other thing, too, I like about Zumo Play is this Discover feature. So if I click Discover, now you can create an account. You don't have to create an account to use Zumo Play, but if you click Discover, this will create, categories for you. So top picks for you. So this is based on your watch history. It has most popular movies. So there's some notable titles here. It also has live channels, like I mentioned. So live news, wildlife TV, Zumo Originals, etc. And you can also click networks. And I like this about Zumo Play as well, is it breaks it down into networks. So if you have networks that you like more than others, you can just scroll through here and pick a particular network instead of looking through the general categories. Just a really cool feature offered by Zumo Play. So guys, that's my second favorite free movie app that you might not have heard of is Zumo Play. Another free movie app that I have found myself using lately is called Filmrise. Now, Filmrise did come out several years ago, but I feel like it's really slipped under the radar when you're comparing it to some of these other free streaming applications. So, Filmrise is 100% free to install from the Amazon App Store, no account required, no registration. And on the left-hand side, you'll see it's a similar interface to Zumo Play. We have TV and we have movies. So if you hover over movies, it has new arrivals, it has, action, comedies, all the great categories that you would expect to see in a good free movie application. Hundreds, if not thousands of movies offered by Filmrise. So you can scroll through here, guys. Again, just browse through all these different libraries, and there's probably a title or two in here that you did not know that Filmrise, Zumo Play, or the Roku Channel had. So it doesn't hurt to just scroll through and look at all these categories and titles. And if I hover over TV, here's all the notable TV shows offered by Filmrise. So we have featured a lot of notable titles here under True Crime, notable title here under Food and Lifestyle. We have Westerns, sitcoms, mysteries, new arrivals. If you're curious, what are some of the new content options that Filmrise has added to its library? Trending is another useful category in my opinion, and so much more. On the left-hand side here too, there's a recently added. So I'd like that option to shows you what content has been recently added to Filmrise's library, something to keep track of. About, and then there's also a search option here as well if you want to search for a specific title. But that's another great free movie app worth exploring, guys, is Filmrise. And just as a bonus one here, I want to throw in Pluto TV. Now, I'm almost certain you guys have heard of Pluto TV by now, and it's best known for its free live channels. But what many do not realize is that Pluto TV has come a long way in terms of its on-demand content selection. So on the left-hand side here, you'll see the menu. It has a channel guide, now watching, search, and then now there's it has been, but they keep adding content. There's an on-demand option here. So if I click on demand and I scroll down, you can scroll through all the different categories offered by Pluto in their on-demand section. So you'll see here as I'm scrolling through some notable titles here, notable options. Scroll down to movies. So these are the most popular movies. Quite a few notable titles here, guys. That one in particular, that one as well. And just scroll through the most popular movies category on Pluto TV, and I guarantee you will be shocked at what you can find here for free. I'm going to go back to on demand. And if I scroll down, here's some other categories as well. We have seasons and greetings, comedy, classic TV, sci-fi, drama, true crime, reality, entertainment, sports. So Pluto offers a lot of sports content as well, both live and video on demand, food, lifestyle, kids, and so much more. So I just wanted to throw in Pluto TV as a bonus option, as many are not aware that Pluto offers hundreds of free movies and on-demand TV series as well. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video. Leave me a comment below as well, guys. Are there any applications that you guys are using on your Firesticks or Android devices? Let me know in the comment section below. I enjoy reading through all of your comments. The final note I want to make here is if you are in the market for a VPN, or you just have geo restrictions, or you can't access some of these applications because you're not located in a supported region, I do have an exclusive discount with Surfshark VPN that you can find below this video. Surfshark is my #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire. You can find the best discount by clicking the link below this video. And guys, that does help support myself and this channel as well. So that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie, and I hope you all have a great day.